everyone, we are talking about hazardous environment and the workload and the actual burnout they're facing at their workplace. Stress on the person who is working for such long hours and also going through physical, mental, and emotional breakthrough. This burnout may be for anybody. It may be for the working professionals, it may be for the employee, it may be for the laborers, it may be for the students as well, because their work might be getting unrecognized and this might lead them and leave them unmotivated. So there is no inspiration, there is no motivation, and this is ultimately affecting their health a lot. Supports their growth, which supports their health, and it should also provide safety along with the maybe facing lack of support at your workplace or the school. The child may also face lack of support in school. He might be facing trauma, he might be facing bully, he might be facing number of things. So there is no safety when these things are around you. They are actually very vulnerable. This makes the child or the person who is working in a professional environment vulnerable to many hazardous dangers. Along with this, there should be safety trainings. The safety trainings may include the fire safety run also. It may include evacuation planning. Now, what does this include? That the child who is studying in school, the students of the school, or the people working in a professional organization or any important building, they should know the exact entry and exit point during any kind of hazardous activity which might occur all of a sudden and we don't know. It might be anything which makes the person vulnerable to number of hazards. Plan and make our environment around us safe and healthy for all those who are working, and especially for children. So what does it aim at? So it aims at a good psychosocial work environment and an environment for students also in school where the child feels comfortable, an employee feels comfortable, a working laborer feels comfortable in companies, every employee in any kind of organization feels comfortable and psychosocially healthy.